Alright, balitang abroad ulit tayo mga kapatid sa mga nangyayaring kaguluhan lalong-lalo na sa pagitan ng Russia at ng Ukraine. Ayon dito mga kapatid sa tagapagsalita ng Russia, no, about dito nga sa arms na ipapadala nila dito sa Ukraine, isa lamang tong negosyo. No? At dahil sa negosyong to, wala nang matitira pa para sa mga tao, mga tol. Sabi nga rito sa title, nothing will be left. Putin's stunning message after Trump arms Ukraine via Europe, mga tol. Yan, no? Sabi rito sa report, Russia has dismissed NATO's new weapons deal for Ukraine as mere business. Yan, no? Negosyo, mga tol. Questioning who will pay for the arms and warning European citizens will bear the cost, no? Ang sasagot ng gastusin na yan is yung mga citizens ng mga bansa sa Europa. Yan, no? Kumbaga parang taktika rin to ng Russia. Kumbaga para pinapaalam na namin sa inyo, European citizens, kayo ang sasalo ng gastos ng gera ng Ukraine sa Russia. No, syempre taktika 'yon mga tol para nga naman umalma etong mga European citizens at sila mismo ay magkansela dun sa kanilang gobyerno o kaya sila mismo ay mag-alsa, no, sa kanilang government. This came after President Trump confirmed a full complement of Patriot missiles and batteries would soon arrive in Ukraine, saying Europe now funds the war effort while the US supplies equipment. Sabi nga ganun ni Trump, sila ang mag-manufacture, sila ang gagawa, tapos European naman o Europe ang magbabayad, mga tol, no? Ang gagamitin ng Ukraine para labanan etong Russia. So ito, palamin natin tong detalye mga tol, panoorin natin. Siyempre kahit na malayo tayo dito sa mga bansang ito, alam nyo na kapag ito'y sumiklab na pangdaigdigan na talagang madadamay ang Pilipinas dito. Damay ang buong mundo, di ba? So sana wag naman umabot sa ganung punto, pero alamin natin yung mga detalye about dito sa balitang to. Bago natin to simulan, wag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka whenever na may mga bago tayong reaction video tulad nito. Wag na natin patagalin pa, panoorin na natin to mga tol. It's business, sabing ganon. Alisin nga natin to. There have been deliveries before, sabing ganon. Nobody stopped them. The question is, who pays for them?
When you
everything. It's Patriots, it's all of them. It's a full complement with the batteries.
It's business. Russia reacts to NATO-Ukraine arms deal. Negosyo lamang daw to. Somehow, totoo naman, di ba? Days after Trump welcomed arms transfer, Russia lashes out. Yung panahon kasi ni Biden talagang tinutulungan nila itong Ukraine. Ito sa panahon ni Trump, iba ang approach niya. From bromance to confrontation, Putin-Trump ties have come a long way. It's business. There have been deliveries before. Nobody stopped them. The question is who pays for them. Now, some European countries will pay for them. Sabi ganun. Pasingan muna natin to. Nilalagyan ko ng caption kapag si Trump na kasi ang hina ng audio eh. So ito naman, basahin na lang natin. It's business. There have been deliveries before. Nobody stopped them. The question is who pays for them. Now, some European countries will pay for them. You have heard that the French will not pay. Oh, ayaw pumayag ng France. The Czech will not pay. Ayaw din ng Czech Republic. This means there will be some disagreements there as well. Now, how much will they pay? How much money? There will be nothing left for the citizen. Wala nang matitira kasi syempre pag ayaw ng France at ayaw ng Czech, di yung mga natitirang bansa na lang nasang-ayon, sila yung maghahati-hati ngayon.
Будут платить, значит, чехи не будут платить. То есть там тоже будут сейчас свои разногласия. Потому что столько платить, сколько денег. Гражданам не останется ничего.
что меньше оружия будет поставляться, или это не важно?
Journalist, will less arms be supplied or does it not matter overall?
Мы не знаем.
We don't know. So far, we see that Europe displays a completely unbridled militaristic attitude and declares its intention to spend huge sums of money on arms supplies.
Мы видим,
Talaga
европейцы
maglalabas sila ng napakaraming pera
проявляют
para dito sa labanang to.
милитаристский
To further escalate the war, certainly with such emotions bordering on inadequacy on the European continent, it is very difficult to understand anything.
Will these be Patriot missiles specifically, or Patriot batteries that you're planning? And when do you
It's everything. It's
everything.
Patriots. It's all of them. It's a full complement with the batteries.
And when do you expect them to arrive in Ukraine, sir?
Well, we're going to have some come very soon, within days, actually. Because a couple of the countries that have Patriots are going to swap over and will replace the Patriots with the ones they have. And Matt will coordinate with NATO. But so it's going to be, they're going to start arriving very
That's on the Patriots,
So yun nga yung
but this whole
mangyayari.
deal is also about
So yun nga yung mangyayari, no? Yung mga bansa na merong Patriot missile, ipapadala na nila yan sa Ukraine para magamit na. Tapos ipapalitan na lang ng Amerika. Kumbaga, gamitin nyo muna yung stockpile nyo dyan, padala nyo dun sa Ukraine at kapag papalitan na lang namin. Parang ganun ang nangyayari. So, magbabayad nga yung mga European country, tapos ang Amerika ang gagawa. So, another business to, no? Para kay Trump. O para sa Amerika.
missiles, about ammunition, so it's broader than Patriots.
Yeah, I think this is a chance at getting peace. Or it's just going to be the same thing. I have to tell you, Europe has a lot of spirit for this war. A lot of people, when I first got involved, I really didn't think they did, but they do. And I saw that a month ago, and you were there, most of you, many of you were there. The level of esprit de corps, spirit that they have is amazing. They really think it's a very, very important thing to do, or they wouldn't be doing it. Look, they're agreeing to, they're paying for everything. We're not paying anymore. We have an ocean separating us. They said, we have a problem. We make the best stuff, but we can't keep doing this. And Biden should have done this years ago.
Hindi daw nila pwedeng ipagpatuloy yung gano'n, yung pagsusupply ng weapon dito sa Ukraine. Kaya hindi sila ang gagastos para dyan. Sila ang gagawa, pero ang iba ang magbabayad. Kasi nga, medyo matindi mga tol, ang kagustuhan talaga ng European countries dito sa labang to, sa Ukraine at saka sa Russia mga tol. No? So ano masasabi nyo rito? Comment na lamang kayo sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli mga kapatid, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.